How to add favorite spotlights on Snapchat. What's up everyone? In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can easily add your favorite spotlights on Snapchat. But before we do that, make sure to like the video below and subscribe. Now, the first thing you do is tap on the profile icon at the top left corner. And if you scroll down a bit, here you'll be able to find your spotlight and snap map. And then right below that, you'll have your spotlight favorites and reposts. So to add your favorites spotlights on your profile, what you need to do is simply tap on the spotlight option at the bottom right corner. So you'll have the snap map, then your chats, then your camera, friends, and then click on the spotlight. Now once you get to the spotlight option, all you have to do is tap on this heart icon to add this to your favorite. Scroll down and just tap on this heart and you should be able to add the spotlight on your favorites. So I'm just going to do the same for a few more. Let's just add this like this, and I'm just going to go ahead and add my profile. And once you go back, you can just tap on the profile icon again and scroll down, and here as you can see the recent videos and spotlights have been added to my favorite. That's pretty much it. I hope it was helpful. I'll catch you on the next one.